Managing leads is more than just storing names. It's about control, clarity, and speed. Today with Patronecs, we will unlock the power of Go High Level pipelines and stages to organize opportunities like never before. We start from the opportunities section and head to the pipeline tab. Here, clicking on the new pipeline icon allows us to create a dedicated pipeline for our contacts. We can give it a name, define stages according to our sales flow, and then save it. Back in the opportunity section, the pipeline dropdown now display all the pipelines we have created. Let us open the one we just made. Currently there are no contacts, but we can easily add a new one here. Once a contact is added, we can manually update its position within the stages to reflect its current status. And at any point, we can quickly switch between other pipelines from the same dropdown for a broader view. With pipelines and stages in Go High Level, you are not just tracking leads, you are building a clear path to success. Organize smarter, act faster, and make sure no opportunity slips away.